Hello everyone. Welcome to my live stream. Hi everyone, welcome to my live stream. So this live stream is all about clearing your doubts. So it is about a doubt session live stream. Any doubts you have related to doubts on SQL, Python for data analysis, career advice, any doubt you have, you can just ask me here in the live stream. You can just ask me any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, any doubts you have, just you can ask me out. Anything related to it. So any doubts you have, yeah, you can just ask me in that. So yeah, hi Lucifer, welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my live stream. Hi Lucifer, welcome to my live stream. So any doubt you have related to SQL Python for data analytics, till 11 p.m. we are here for doubts. So any doubt you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I am here to help you out. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, related to career advice, I am here to help you out. And let's play a quiz side by side. Like what is the default order of sorting using order by in SQL? Is it descending, random, ascending, or none of the above? Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, I'm here to help you out in this live stream. Any doubts you have, just ask me your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have, anything, just ask me your doubts. That's it. I'm ready to help you out in this. So any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice related to data analytics, anything you have, just ask me in my live stream, and I'm ready to help you out in that. Just ask me your doubts, any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics. Just ask me your doubts. So we have a message from Lucio like I know someone else stream. She is was like help in past. So I was there because Raksha Bandhan is coming, so that why I'm there and not here was okay. No issue, brother, no issue, no worries, no worries for that. Still, like any doubt you have, anything related to Python, related to SQL for data analytics, you can ask. No worries in that. Lucifer, no worries in that. Just no worries. Like still, any doubt, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. I am here to help you out straight, and it will be a 1 hour session till 11 o'clock, maximum 11:30. So I would say ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts. No worries. Sorry. Ask your doubts. Doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, anything like typo error. I am not used. No issue, Lucifer, no issue. Just chill, no issue, Lucifer, no issue, no issue, right? Like anybody, any doubt you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice in data analytics, I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, it will be just for 1 hour session, 1 hour session till 11:30, maximum 11:20, 11:30. I'm here to help you out. I would say, sorry, 11:30. I'm here to help you out. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, related to career advice, I'm here to help you out. Any doubts, just ask your doubts in the live stream, straight in the live stream. I'm here to help you out. Just ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts we have? Do you have any doubts related to SQL? I'm here to help you out. Related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, anything you have, and please participate in the live quiz. So, what question we have? Like, what is the default order of sorting when using order by in SQL? And Lucifer has asked one doubt. Like, I have doubt, but not for you. This doubt for God, good, right? Like you can ask, like if it is related to SQL, Python, career advice, you can ask me. No need to worry about Lucifer. I am here to help, right? Just you can ask your doubts. Like if it is related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I'm here. If something else like web development or related to software development, I might not be that much good in that, but I know I have that much knowledge that I can help you all in SQL, Python for DA, related to NumPy, Pandas, or like career advice. I can help you out from my experience, like from whatever experience I have in my corporate field as well as in my freelance field. I can help you out in that. But if it is related to like web development or I would say related to software development, C++, I might not be good in that. So sorry for that. But still, any doubts, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I'm here to help you out. Just ask your doubts. Everyone, ask your doubts in my live chat related to SQL, Python for data analytics, and please, just I would say be ready for the projects that will be live on Saturday 10 a.m. My project will be live. So just I would say make sure you look at the project. Make sure you give your feedback in that project so that I would say better next time, because every month I would be uploading new projects related to like freelance project from end to end project it will be. So this project will be which will be uploaded or which will be live on Saturday is from SQL background, and if you want related to Python background, you have to wait for next month, because in next month I would be uploading a project for Python background related to Python. So I would say just ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts. I am ready to help you out in that. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I am ready to help you out. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I am ready to help you out. Just send me in the live chat. I am ready to help you out. I'm ready to help you out in that. Any doubt you have? So we have one message from a hacker like what is connection in SQL? I think you are asking for the connection between the client application like Python SQL connection. Are you asking that? What I am thinking from the question is like you are asking related to connection which is like Python plus SQL connection. Is it that? I mean, like in Python, if we want to connect with SQL, we do import SQL like SQLite 3 like that. Are you asking that, hacker? Like, can you be more specific? So it could be easy for me to understand because from the question I can understand that you are asking for the link establishment between like the two client application or two databases like Python database or database in Python, Jupyter, and connecting it with SQL via like import uh, SQLite 3 like that. Are you asking that? Okay, we have one chat from Lucifer. Like my field is technically BCom, so anytime my mom and dad see me, they ask me. They always ask me about bank side or government job, but I want my job in Python developer, data analytics. But they are telling me to join. Like, uh, no worries for that. Like, mm, related to this, like you can tell them like you have done this project Lucifer, so that they could be able to understand. Like I would say they are correct from their side, but let me tell you one thing, like you have to make them understand like okay, I am doing this projects, these are the technical field, like I am interested in that, so at least uh, make them understand like what you are doing so that they can also have an idea like what actually is coding about, what actually is writing queries in SQL, it is all about like that, right? And we have one message from hacker like know the connection when we first download SQL in PC. So okay, see when you install any database, I don't know what database you are talking about. I am pretending it might be like I am using PostgreSQL SQL. You might have downloaded like MySQL or SSMS, that is SQL Server. You will first set up a local database server, right? And to use that server, you have to run queries, like the queries you will be running, creating tables, insert into. For that, you must establish a connection, which is simply means giving the software the correct info to access the database. That's it. So see, first when you install all any of the database, MySQL or PostgreSQL, in the starting only they will ask you related uh, to a username, a password. So at that time only you give the username and password. And let me tell you, whenever I have started working in SQL, by default only the port number is 3306 or 3307. Like for me it was 5432 for PostgreSQL. But my friends who are working at like MySQL, I know they have 3306 or 3307 port. That is by default, so no need to worry about. And host name what I have set was actually local host, means your computer, your means machine, default machine that you are working on. And like I don't know what server I mean what database you have downloaded, like SQL database, I mean MySQL database or PostgreSQL database or SQL server. So for PostgreSQL I know is 5432 port number. If you have a different port number, change it to 5432, and that is the default one. And for MySQL, that my friends used to use, so they have like 3306 or 3307 or any one of this. And username, you can put anything you want, you can put your name, no need to worry. And password, during installation they ask at the first stage only, So given any password is okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, that is okay. ABCD is also okay. So it is like that. So you have to create connection like that. So, and apart from that, if your connection is lost, like I would say, when you keep your system open for a long time, the connection get lost. So you can click on that button like new connection and enter the above info and then click connect. Above info matlab the thing I have told previously right now, like port, username, password, all that. uh, so that's all thing, that's all about. Like if you have any doubt, more doubt, hacker, you can ask me. We have 2 3 messages from Lucifer. Like first is bank job, at least you gain experience, but I think that experience not worth in IT after doing job. See, every experience is worth, let me tell you, but it should have some connection related to IT. It should be like that. But bank job is okay. It's a good, I would say, safe job. Let me tell you that. And I have one more question. SQL, yes, right? I bought Mac. Everyone see me on Mac. Okay, they told me like Mac screen display is so good. You should try to watch movies. But no, no, no. Your wish, your wish. If you want to watch movies, it is okay. Malab, not always. Not always. Make sure you complete your studies. You complete your practice, you complete your everything, then you can watch movies or anything if you have time. So it is not like that. Tell them that I am here for work, because obviously in, if you're investing so much in a laptop, I know you will be working, and I know you because in live stream you are asking me doubts, and I know your doubts are on a good level, like I would say coding level kind of. So I know you are studying, right? So still, uh, no need to worry about. Let them say, I know screen is good and all, but let them say, no need to worry about, just s- study, and if you get time then watch movies. No need to worry about that. Sometimes I also watch YouTube related to news kind of thing, like study IAS. One news, not news, but it's a good YouTube channel, study IQ IAS. From there I got to know about news and all that. So I also watch YouTube, nothing like that. And we have one more message from hacker, like how much time it will take me to be a SQL expert as I am a beginner right now. See, I tell this to everyone consistently. If you work, if you study like at least 1 hour every day consistently, then your basics knowledge will be done by first 3 months, right? Or maximum 2 to 3 months, your basics will be done and dusted. But to, I mean, basics in the sense what? If you ask me, basic in the sense means startup ready, means you will be able to apply in startups and you can be easily able to crack that interviews. But if you want to be on an intermediate level or on an expert level, it will take around 6 months to be intermediate level. Intermediate means what? Like any companies, I would say, if you are a fresher, I would say like Cognizant, Wipro, TCS, like this kind of, I would say, strong MNCs, you are be able to crack this interviews easily after 6 months of consistent practice, at least 1 hour a day, 1 hour spiritually, 1 hour a day practice every day for 6 months. You will be easily able to crack interviews in Wipro, TCS, Accenture kind of companies. But if you want to be on an expert level, expert means FANG company level, then it will take at least 10 months, at least 10 months, matlab 8 to 10 months it will take. Because why I am saying, because the thing is you have to do a lots and lots of project, lots and lots of hit and trial, lots and lots of mistake, then only be you will be able to compete with those candidates who are applying for the FANG companies. FANG companies in the sense, Amazon, Amazon, Microsoft, Google, like that, right? So at least 8 to 10 months and 1 hour per day practice, you can be expert level, right? So that's what I have knowledge, what I have seen, and what I have knowledge, and at least yeah, you can do it easily. Let me tell you. But consistent 1 hour, you have to be very consistent, brother. 1 hour every day very consistent. If you if you want to be consistent, I would say you can join my live stream. I do live stream for more than 4 to 5 hours every day. You can just watch me, because I know doing like working on a code or doing coding is a boring kind of stuff, and as a human being, I will tell you that you need someone to see that, yeah, this guy is coding, yes, this guy is also coding, this guy is learning something. If you see someone in front of you is coding side by side, like I do, what I do, I do live sessions every day, I clear doubts, as well as I do coding writing query side by side, right? So you can do one thing, you can at least join my live stream, and you can just code side by side, right? You can do code, you can do practice, you can ask me doubts. That's the best thing. You can ask me doubts, I can help you out in that. So like this you can practice at least 1 hour. Matlab, I do more than 4+ hours of live stream. You can join me for at least 1 hour. So for that 1 hour, take any project, do codes, write queries, and on the meanwhile you can ask me doubts. So like that I can help you out in that, right? We have one more message from Lucifer. Like I heard from friends in interview, mostly people fail in basic things. So I'm giving 1 hour for basic, 1 hour for math, 2-3 hour for giving problem solving, and new topic 1 hour for project. Yeah, sure, sure. No issue, brother. No issue. That's a good thing. Like that's a good initiative, that at least you know where you stand and you have created your own routine. So Lucifer, that's a, I would say, best thing, because most of the people, like when I was at a fresher stage, I don't know how to prepare and all. It took me time, but I made my own routine after a long time. But it is a good thing that you know that where you stand in the competition, what things you need to cover up, and where you lag behind. So that's the best thing, Lucifer. Like at least you know where you stand, and that's the best thing, and you have made your own routine and you are following it. Good, good, brother. Good, very good, brother. Just carry forward this. Carry on and make sure you are consistent. Main thing is consistency, because most people make their routine, but they fail in consistency. You can take my example. When I was learning at early stage, I was not able to be consistent. Why? Because I was working on a main corporate field. I was working on a job and I was tired, but still I was like, I used to come to home and I would sleep. I would I would not study at all. But when I came to know like, okay, this is not what my future is. I have to take care of my future on my own. So from that day I have decided, like at least 1 hour I will study. Doesn't matter how much sleep I get, doesn't matter I had my dinner, I had my lunch, doesn't matter in that. So that's why, like every day 1 hour I gave, and my brain took this as a routine, and that 1 hour everyday study made me where I am today. So Lucifer, that's the best thing. At least you are giving productive, how much, 3 4 5, at least 4+ hours in yourself, in your development, and at, I would say, that's the best thing, brother. That's a good thing, right? And Lucifer, like, are you going your hometown that Raksha Bandhan? No, no, brother. No, I am not going to my hometown in Raksha Bandhan, and I would be taking break uh, on maybe Dashera. Dashera, I will be going to my village. I have my grandparents there. I go and meet on Dashera. Maybe when, I don't know when it is, October, November kind of thing. So I'll be taking 5 days leave from YouTube in Dashera holidays, because that's, I, like I go to my village, I meet my grandparents, and I meet my cousins. That's the best thing. And my friends going, yeah, like you should celebrate. You should celebrate, I would say. Go celebrate Raksha Bandhan, and like I like to celebrate Dashera because I like to meet my grandparents. So that's why. And I will be taking leave on Dashera, right? So guys, any doubt you have, any doubt session, it's a doubt session till 11:30. So ask your doubts. Disturb me with doubts, guys. Just ask your doubts and anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice. You ask your doubts. Disturb me with doubts, guys. Just ask your doubts. I am dedicating the time for clearing your doubts because I like to interact with people where each and everyone is productive, each and everyone is giving their valuable time in learning. That's the best thing, and that's what my motive is. So please, guys, ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to anything, I will help you out in that. Any doubts you have, guys, ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts, right? So yeah, we have one more message from Lucy Hacker. Lucifer has asked, my friend going to, okay, that's I have read that message. So latest message is from Lucifer. Like right now I am focusing on SQL and Python for DA. Could you guide me how to prepare both SQL and Python so that it cannot be boring? See, the thing, like one of our subscriber has also asked us this question. I told them one thing is like how to mix them. Like, see, make sure you work 6 days a week. You study like Monday to Saturday. What you do, anything, like take Monday SQL, Tuesday Python, Wednesday SQL, Thursday Python, like that. You take a alternative day and learn till Saturday, and on Sunday what you do, you revise all you don't learn anything on Saturday, just revise all the things that you have learned. And let me tell you what is the process of learning, what is the process of revising. See, suppose on Monday you have learned SQL, right? Suppose SQL joins you have learned. Just take an example. You have learned. When it comes on Tuesday, what you do when you wake up, just at least take 15 minutes to just take your copy and see what you have learned. At only start your timer for 15 minutes, and on 15 minutes just focus on what you have written in your copy, what you have learned in your copy, right? In that, I mean on Monday what you have learned, just go through it, just 15 minutes. When your alarm stops at 15 minutes, close your copy. That's it. Then start learning Python for an hour. Like when the Tuesday comes, what you do, take 15 minutes timer. On the 15 minutes timer, have a check on SQL. Just take a like roundabout in SQL and Python. Like when it's 15 minutes, close your copy, start SQL. Like that I'm saying. What is my motive is like, make sure your brain is creating a routine of having a look what you have learned yesterday and what you are going to learn today. In this way your brain will create a routine. Like in today's world, when you wake up, you automatically go and do brush, you go take a bath. That's a routine. That's nobody will come and tell you like, okay, go do brush, take a bath. Nobody will tell that. Already set in your brain, and your brain tells you like, okay, hacker, go do brush, wash your face, take a bath, like that. So the thing is, every day if you do this in your studies, this will get create, like this will create a own routine in your brain. And you will automatically, after like 1 month, you will automatically do these things. Like you will revise everything what you have learned in the previous day, like that. So that's a good thing. Study like that. And on Sundays what you do, whatever you have learned theory, you learn it. Whatever you have learned in practical, do it again, right? In this way you can easily carry on and it won't get boring, right? And one more thing, let me tell you, I am live each and every day on my live stream. You can join my live stream and start studying side by side, right? Because see, if you study and if you get any doubt in between of that, you can ask me in my live stream, right? So I start my live stream at around 3, maybe 2 o'clock, 2 p.m., and it goes till 8:39. Then I have a dinner, and then I 1 hour like this type of live stream where we can do chit chat, productive chit chat, like that. So you can do like that. What I mean to say, join my live stream side by side. You do coding, you write query, you study, right? And in case you get any doubt, just straight jump to my live chat and ask me, right? So okay, we have three to four messages right now from Lucifer. Like my every friends are going and everyone is going, but I don't have sister, I don't have long relatives, so I'm confused. What should I do? Nothing, bro. Just sit, study, and watch movies like that. I am always curious about learning new things. Property module, yeah. Just on free time, learn something new. In coding, don't find a problem, creates your own problem and solve that problem. Yeah, you can that what it is about, hit and trial method, right? You add something, something comes to your mind, you add it, you see error is coming, then from that error you find your own solution, right, Lucifer? In that way you can learn something and you can be busy in a productive way. So busy in a productive way is a good thing. You make yourself busy and you make your mind to be always curious to know new things, so that's a good thing. And that's where coding is fun, and that's where coding is fun for you. Yeah, right, right, right. That's a good thing. So being productive in a good way, I would say that's a better thing. So learn new things, do mistakes, create mistakes, and from that mistakes learn and try to find something new. So in this way your mind will be curious, like okay, what will happen after this? What if I do this? Like you have done, like you have done everything in a code, then you have added a class, then in that sometimes you have added loops. So in this way you come to know lots and lots of things, and like you are on a good stage right now, I would say, right? So in this way I would say that's a good thing to study, that's a good way to study. So code every day, at least 1 hour a day, learn new things, do mistakes, because doing mistakes is the main thing in coding. So that's all about it. And still, any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, just ask me in the live stream. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have related to SQL, any doubts, just ask me doubts, disturb me with doubts, ask like throw like ask your doubts like rapid fire. I would say ask your doubts like rapid fire. I am ready to help you out. Just ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. I am ready to help you out, right? Ask your doubts. Guys, ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, related to Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. I am ready to help you out. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts, guys. Just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, just ask your doubts, guys. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in that. Any doubts? I'm here to clear your doubts. So any doubts you have, just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. I'm here till 11:30. So don't wait till 11:30. Just clear your doubts. Take a chance, clear your doubts. Any doubts you have, just clear your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in the live stream. Just clear your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in the live stream. Just clear your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out, guys. Just ask your doubts. Ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. I'm ready to help you out in the live stream. Just ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in the live stream. Just ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice, just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. this doubt session is for everyone. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics? Any doubts you have? Any doubts? Okay, we have one more doubt here. Lucifer has asked. So the doubt is, okay, you know that class. So I'm planning to convert that class to CSV banking passbook generator. Okay, okay, I understood in the bank one. So I can get CSV file, and every time info is new, I can practice. Yeah, sure, sure. That's a great idea, I would say. That's a great idea. You can go for it. You can go for it. So that's a good idea, brother. That's a good idea. So in that, I would say there will be use of date time. Why, you know? Because as you have told, like every time new info is added. So when new info is added, I think this date time and random, these two things will be used a lot. These two modules, I think, date time and random. Random is a, I think, yeah. These modules will be used a lot. So that's a good thing to practice. So just do it, and you know how to take date time, like from date time import date time and time delta, like that. And random, you know, import random, right? That you have done. And for date time, you should do from date time import date time comma time delta, right? In this way you can get the like latest date and time for your, I would say, for your inputs. So in this way you can do. Any doubts you have, Lucifer, you can ask still. So any doubts you have, guys, related to SQL, Python for data analytics, so ask your doubts. I am here to help you out, guys. Any doubts you have, any doubts, just ask me with doubts. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. I am here in the live stream for each and everyone, so just ask your doubts. I am here to help you out in the live stream related to SQL, Python for data analytics. So ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I am here to help you out. Ask your doubts. Don't hesitate to ask your doubts, guys. Just ask your doubts, and I am here till 11:30. So take this opportunity. Ask everything. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, Pandas, NumPy, modules, career advice. I am here to help you out, guys. Any doubt you have, any doubt, just take this opportunity. And if you are coming to a live stream, make sure your time is productive. You learn something, right? You clear your doubts, you learn something. So that's why I am here for each and everyone. So ask your doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics. Any doubts you have, anything, just ask your doubts. I am here to help you out, guys. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, anything, I am here till 11:30. So please take this opportunity to learn new things, ask doubts. Like let's do a rapid fire for doubts. Like ask doubts in a rapid fire way. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, any doubts related to, means any error you have faced during writing code or something, you ask that also. I will help you out, right? Any error you faced, or any doubts you have faced, theoretical doubt or something related to SQL, Python for data analytics, just ask your doubts. Anything, I can help you out in that. Anything, any doubts you have? Okay, we have one message from Lucifer. I forgot how to store CSV. It's easy. First thing, import pandas as PD, and then you can do two CSV. Two CSV, open like open and close parenthesis. First thing you do, like your data frame. Let me say you that data frame. Suppose you have flowers, right? Flowers, then dot to CSV, open parenthesis, close. In open parenthesis, write the like this new file name, whatever the file name is, dot CSV and then index equal to false, right? Like that you can do like that, Lucifer. And we have one or two message from संवेद like हेलो भाई एक दिन में कितना लाइव स्ट्रीम कर रहे हो. नहीं आज like अभी 1 घंटा था तो सोचा मैं डाउट क्लियर कर दूं सबका, कुछ भी अगर थोड़ा मोड़ा भी डाउट रहे तो सोचा क्लियर कर दूं. 11:30 तक ही रहेगा लाइव स्ट्रीम, तो कुछ भी पूछना है आप लोग पूछ सकते हो, राइट? एनीथिंग, तो सोचा क्यों ना डाउट क्लियर किया जाए. इंटरेक्टिव सेशन रखते हैं इसको, इसीलिए मतलब इसमें मैं कुछ काम नहीं करूंगा, नो वर्क नथिंग, सिर्फ आप लोग का डाउट क्लियर करूंगा, इंटरेक्ट करूंगा आप लोग से. तो कुछ भी डाउट हो गाइस, जस्ट आस्क योर डाउट्स रिलेटेड टू सीक्वल पाइथन फॉर डेटा एनालिटिक्स, एनीथिंग. थैंक यू संबित, थैंक यू संबित. एंड लूसीफर, आई होप यू गॉट योर आंसर. लाइक आप बोले कि लाइक यू फॉरगॉट टू स्टोर CSV फाइल. इट्स इजी. लाइक you take the data frame name, then first of all you import pandas as pd or pandas alias, anything you can write. First take the data frame name, then dot to csv is the main thing. Then open bracket, close bracket, in open bracket write the new file name with dot csv, index equal to false, right? So that's how we convert the data frame to a csv file, right? So any more doubt you have? Any more doubt you have? I can help you out. So ask your doubts. Okay, we have one more question from Lucifer. Like, is it working in class property? Yeah, yeah. It's nothing related to class or something. Like it will work. Like no need to worry. It's the same thing. Like what you do, you just take the data frame and then dot to csv, then your new file name with dot csv, index false. That's it. There is nothing different in that. It is the same thing. There no issue in that. So you can definitely use it like inside a class to save data. You can use it, but make sure you create a data frame at the end, and after creating a data frame, that data frame, what you do, you automate it dot to csv and dot new file name, then that's it, index false, done. You can do it, no need to worry about. So you can do it, no need to worry. In like any doubt you have, if you creating a file or something, just ask me up in that. And guys, ask me doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice in data analytics. I am ready to help you out in that. Any doubts you have, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, we do live stream every day, each and every day, plus for 4+ hours. We clear each and everyone doubts. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics, career advice. Ask your doubts. Any doubts you have? Anyone, any doubts? Just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in that. So ask your doubts in SQL, Python to data analytics. Just ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have? Just ask your doubts. Uh, Related to like anything, Python, SQL for data analytics, or career advice. Just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in that. Just ask your doubts, guys. Ask your doubts, and I am here till 11:30. So ask your doubts. I am here to help you out. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. I am ready to help you out in that. So ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have? Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics? I am ready to help you out in your doubts. I am ready to help you out in your like in this live stream. Ask me doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out in the live stream itself. Any doubts, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics, I'm here to help you out, guys. Just ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for data analytics, ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts, anything, career advice, any doubts, anything, just ask it, right? I'm ready to help you out. So ask your doubts, doubt, any doubt related to SQL, Python for DA, career advice, just ask, guys. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have, anything. I'm ready to help you out. So ask your doubts. Please ask your doubts. I'm saying any doubts, anything, career advice. And I'm here till 11:30, more 30 minutes left. So just ask your doubts, guys, related to SQL, Python for data analytics, anything. Ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts. No need to hesitate. Ask your doubts in my live chat. I'm here to help you out in the live stream, straight in my live stream. Ask your doubts. Any doubt, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics. It's your stage. Ask your doubts, guys. Your stage. Just ask your doubts. That's it. Any doubts, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics. Just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubt, anything related to SQL, I can help you out in that. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts you have? Okay, we have one more doubt. Like, actually, I am not getting it. I mean, I want output like my CSV file. I want to use outside of class, but I cannot know. See, you have to generate data inside the class and export that data inside the class itself, right? You should not go outside the class. If you go outside the class, it can be also done, but I would say it is easy if you want to create inside the class, right? You have to create inside the class only, correct? And I would say it is the easiest to use inside the class, correct? You are using class, you have to do inside the class, right? So any doubt you have, anything? Any doubts you have, you can, I told you like you can do it inside the class only. So any doubts, anything related to SQL, Python for data analytics? Ask your doubts. Ask your doubt. Yeah, hi Sagar. Hi. Hi Sagar, welcome to live stream. Hi Sagar, welcome to live stream. Hi Sagar, welcome to live stream. How I can help you? Like any doubts, anything, any advice you need, like any feedback you have for me, you can also present it. So any doubts you have, anyone, any doubts related to SQL, Python for DA, career advice, I'm here to help you out. Anything, any doubts, just ask me in the live chat. I'm here to help you out. Any doubts, guys, anything related to SQL, Python for DA, anything, any doubts? I'm here. I'm here, guys. Just ask your doubts. Just ask your doubts, and I will help you out in that, right? Any doubts, anything, ask your doubts, just type it. I will read it and I will give a solution for that. Ask your doubts. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have, anything. I will be here till 11:30, so ask your doubts. Any doubts you have, anything related to SQL, Python for DA. I'm ready to help you out. Any doubts, anything, just ask your doubts, right? Don't hesitate to ask your doubts. So, any doubts? Anybody have any doubts? Any doubt? Anything related to practical knowledge, related to theoretical knowledge, just ask your doubts. Anything? Okay. We have one live query from Lucifer, like class function gives class slash function give or return me CSV file outside class or store in folder where I am working, but are not pass or CSV file outside class, but I use only function. It will look like so unprofessional. Like, I would say it's not about unprofessionalism. Like, your code should be clean. Clean code is okay. It's not about unprofessionalism. If you write a clean code or someone else can understand it, that's more than enough, right? And related to the technical part, like returning or saving a CSV file from a class is definitely more professional. Let me be very frank with you, right? And second thing, clean codes are better than using a DSA, because writing a clean code, some like I mean to say, any code you write and someone else or your colleague or your clients read that code and understand it, that's, I would say, that's a crystal clear kind of thing, and that is what professionalism means, right? And that's it. Or I would say, related to this, like, you do not need to return the whole CSV file content, just return the path or confirmation. Like, it will keep your code modular and clean, let me tell you that, right? So just go with it, and there is nothing called professionalism, unprofessionalism, right? Clean code is professionalism, that's the main thing, right? I would say. And related to saving a file, you are saying, like, if you want to save a file, you can use that thing like dot save to CSV. This one, save to CSV. This one, what it will do, it will either return the file path or save the file directly in your working folder, right? This is also a helpful technique, so you can use this as well, dot save to CSV. What it will do, it will either run, I mean, return the file path that you are working on, or second thing what it will do, it will save the file directly in your working folder, right? So that's the use of this, say dot save to CSV. And I hope you understand it, Lucifer, right? And still, any doubts, anything, any doubts you have related, anyone, any doubts in this live stream? Anybody, any doubts? Ask your doubts in this live stream. I'm ready to help you out. So ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for DA, I'm ready to help you out in this live session straight. Just ask your doubts. I'm ready to help you out, guys. Okay. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for DA, or you need career advice in this? So ask your doubts, guys. Any doubt related to SQL, Python for data analytics? Ask your doubts. I am ready to help you in this. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts related to SQL, Python for data analytics? I'm here for you till 11:30. Actually, we had done a 4+ hour of live stream in the morning. So this is one more live stream, just helping hands, because I've seen lots of people ask me doubts and I like clearing each and everyone doubts. I like talking to you all related to anything productive, related to code, related to SQL writing queries. So that's what makes me happy. So guys, ask your doubts. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for DA? Ask your doubts. Any doubts you have, just ask your doubts in my live stream. Ask your doubts, guys. Any doubts you have related to SQL, Python for DA? Any doubts? Anything? Any doubts? Any doubts? Anything? Any doubts you have? I am ready to help you out. Okay, we have one message from Lucifer, like assume my classwork is generated random, my classwork generate random passbook, so that what will I do to save that file in other variable? If I want work that same file for a longer time, then I will use that variable for storing file in local, but that variable, okay, like I would say use the class to generate and save the CSV, then store the file path in the variable to reuse the same passbook without regenerating it, right? So I hope you understand it. My thing is, like, use the class to generate and save the CSV, and then store the file path. Store the file path in a variable to reuse the same path without regenerating it. Like this, you can do it, right? I hope you understood it. Correct? So, any doubts related to anything?